Welcome back to this brand new video coming back to you from Tageero, the number one affiliate marketplace marketing training, where I teach you guys step by step how to start an affiliate marketing business and how to choose product, how to connect with Aweber and all this stuff. Today's video is a very special video, and I'll teach you guys how to choose a product from ClickBank and also how to use Aweber and also how to build landing page. If you are new to this channel, make sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button so that you can get notified for new videos that I upload on a daily basis. If you are want more information about me, you can check out my website tageero tageero.com, which link would be in the description. Okay, so ClickBank, if you guys are not familiar with ClickBank, ClickBank is the number one affiliate marketplace that you can find product to promote and earn commission. So ClickBank is available on 200 countries. It has been in business for 20 years. It's a very old company and it has already paid $4.2 billion. Okay, to become an affiliate, you can start promoting or you can sign up here. If ClickBank is not available on your country, then you should go with the other website that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. All right, now let's start and let's sign up to my account, which I've already signed in. And first thing, what you have to go is click to marketplace, and then you will see the categories. Categories is pretty much what you are passionate about. Don't blindly choose anything that you can see fascinating to you. Choose something you like. For example, if you're into fitness, then you should be going with health and fitness. If you are into the education, you should be going with education. If you are into marketing and e-business, then you should go with e-business and do your due diligence. Don't just promote things that you can see that is hot selling and other people telling you to promote. Promote something you're passionate about. For me, I'm so passionate about marketing and so passionate about things like this, so I always choose product that I like. For this video, I've been promoting the 12-minute system affiliate for a while, and I want you guys to also promote if you like what you see. So first thing, what you have to do is click the affiliate page, then the 12-minute affiliate page will come up. Now what you have to do is read the entire thing, do your due diligence research about the product. I basically like Devon Brown. He's really good at affiliate and he has been doing this for a while. Okay, you can see that there's 3,417 people promoting this product, and it has been in the number of millions for a while. And you can join by adding your affiliate, your ClickBank username here. Now the offer pretty much is like this. How do you make money? There's many ways. It has a residual income. There's 50% commission in the front end, which is $9.95. There's going to be another OTO 50%. There's going to be another OTO. There's going to be third OTO. All right, and these are the upsells. There's going to be 50% recurring, which you'll be getting $97 a month. That's very good. And then there's going to be 50% commission, which is going to be $397. And the last one is $797, which is going to be the biggest commission you'll be getting. All right, now what you have to do is come to the affiliate swipes and links, and then you add your link, and then what you have to do is go to grab the swipes. Before we go there, now what we have to do is build a landing page. Landing page is pretty much a bridge page, which is so that you can collect leads, you can collect emails, and many more, so that you build your email list while you are promoting. I did already build a landing page using Builderall, which is recently I've been playing with Builderall, and I found it very cheap and I found it very nice to start with. You can see the Builderall 14 days free trial in the link in the description, and if you sign up using my link, I'll be giving you this template where you can download, and it will be connected with my Aweber. What you have to do is connect with your own, which Aweber is also the number one email marketing that I've been using for 3 years now. This is not my actual account, but you can see that the good thing, it's very easy to use. You can create a message, which is going to be broadcasting, and you can build a follow-up, which is going to be in the follow-up series. All right. So this is a Whopper, and that is for the. You can get the swipe as well. Like you can build a follow-up from a 12-minute system. There's gonna be 8 emails where you can follow up with them, and then you can also choose the other one so that you can keep your subscribers informed that they subscribe to you. All right, so that's it for the AWhopper and for the cheetah, which is going to be the builder. Now, since you have already built all these, what you have to do is now going to be the good part, which is going to be the the traffic. I'm going to show you today two traffic that you can use. One is going to be paid traffic, which is the best of the best, which is going to be Udemy. Udemy is basically a solo deals or solo ads where you can buy you can buy leads from people that have really big email lists, like these kind of people. All right. So, assuming that we choose someone that I always choose, which is going to be this person, he has really big list, and his subscriber are so in love with him, and everything he promotes, they buy from him. So, 43% of people that buy from him, they turn into a sale. For example, if you buy if there's 100 people buy from him, 43% of them get a sale. So pretty much it's really good person. And additional bonus that I'm going to offer to you guys, if you sign up using my link, I'm going to give you free $5 of your purchase, assuming you bought a 1000, which I don't really recommend if you're new, but let's say you bought a 1000, then 593, instead of you paying that, you'll be paying 588. All right, so $5 discount. Okay, so what you have to do is first read the person, which this person is by far my favorite. You can buy from him if you like. What I suggest, if you're new to him, you can buy 500 or you can buy 300. Okay, and you'll be still getting the $5 discount. And for the cheetah, which is going to be the builder role, you'll be getting 14 days free trial using the link in the description, and a will you'll be getting 30 days free trial in the description. If you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'm going to show you now the free traffic that I'm going to show, which is going to build the free ad form. Okay, this this is an ad form where you can list your ad in here for free, and people that in assuming people in America, they will see your ad and they will buy from you. Depends on how you do it. So I'm gonna show you today also how do you choose a product. I mean, how do you place your ad in the free ad form, and there's gonna be another bonus, which is gonna be if you buy the paid one for $5, then you will get your ad listed there for 90 days for 90 days on the top, which is going to be highlighted, and you'll be also getting your ad will be visible to the whole wide area. Okay, let this thing load first, and let's see. All right, so this is going to be the free ad form. As you can see that premium listing here. There's, if you click, you will know that this is a ClickBank offer that is, as you can see, it's they paid $5 and they have get their ad, there. Okay, all right, so you can see genius way to make money online on the site. Free training in San Diego. It has been posted in San Diego, and if you click here without me clicking, you will know that this is by the John Christini, the um, affiliate training. Okay, Yes, so it's a training by John Crostini that if someone buys from him, he will be getting $350 by doing that. So as you can see, the free ad form says post your affiliate offer, business opportunities, ClickBank promotion, services, real estate, vehicles, classes, all for free. So it's a free money. So this is going to be a really nice way to start your affiliate journey. And pretty much all you have to do, publish an ad. Once you click that, then you will be able to publish your ad here. You can add your categories, and a bonus thing what I'm going to tell you is to do is, without you a way to write, you can just come to the pizza, the swipes, and then paste your swipes in here. All right, so and if you buy the $5, it's going to be additional traffic for you, which is going to be really amazing. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you find it very entertaining and very valuable information. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video, make sure to share it with your friends. Let's get this channel uh let's get this channel to get more traffic. So I'll leave that to you guys, and also all the links will be in the description. And have a nice day.